How to find WhatsApp desktop files on your PC. If you want to quickly locate your WhatsApp desktop files on Windows, this video will show you the fastest method. First, open the WhatsApp desktop app on your PC. Next, open any chat that contains an image or media file that has been sent or received. Click on the image to open it, then click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Now select Open With to open the image in the Windows Photos app or your default image viewer. Once the image opens, right-click on it and select Show Folder Location or Open in File Explorer, depending on your version of Windows. This will take you directly to the folder where WhatsApp Desktop stores your media files. If you want to view the complete file path, click on the address bar in File Explorer and select Edit Address to reveal the full folder location. That's how you can quickly find your WhatsApp desktop files on your Windows PC. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.